theft. Our verse for today is about protection, guidance, and peace. First is Psalm 91, 1-2. He who dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God in whom I trust. This passage speaks to finding safety and security in God's presence. Second is Psalm 23, verse 4. Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. This verse emphasizes God's constant presence as a source of comfort and protection, even in challenging times. Psalm 121, 7-8, the Lord will keep you from all harm. He will watch over your life. The Lord will watch over your coming and going both now and forevermore. This passage offers assurance of God's unwavering protection and guidance. Proverbs 3, verse 5-6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your path straight. This proverb encourages placing trust in God's wisdom and guidance, leading to safety and peace. Let's have Philippians 4, verse 6-7. Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God. And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, this will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus. And it speaks to finding peace and safety through prayer and reliance on God's presence. And we know that this verse offers hope and reassurance, reminding us that we are not alone, and that God provides safety and guidance in our lives.